Junior Duet.
Yes, again, all the kids are fab. This second and third position. I just feel कि आज उनका दिन नहीं था इसलिए वो second से third से second पर आए. And they have nothing to do with their performance, with their caliber, with their potential. It is just not at the right time. That's all. From second they have come to third, and from the third without second pair. So the third place goes to serial number 34, Ashka and Arab.
Serial number 34 wins the third position, Ashka and Ara from SST. Warning, everybody, let's put our hands together for them. Till the time they come, let's announce the second position winner also.
The second place goes to serial number 33.
Mishri and Siddha TCC. Third position winner, Mishri and Siddha TCC. I request you to be here with us. आप यहीं पे वहीं 2 मिनट रुकिए आप. Okay. First position winner. Are we here? Alright, so here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the third position winner, Ashka and Aram from SST Warning. Everybody, let's put our hands together for Ashka and Aram. Open Junior Duet main third position winner. Congratulations, thank you. Alright, now the second position winner are with us, Mishri and Siddha. Serial number 33 from TCC. इन कोरियोग्राफर्स को यही में जगह देनी पड़ेगी इस कुर्सी लेके आए हैं मैडम सर. Everybody let's applaud for them. Let's applaud for the choreographers and his sweet children who performed so well. Coming up to the first position.
And the first place is serial number 32.
Karna and Devansh from SSTC Warning. I'm sure they had performed, these boys have performed so well with their choreography, with their technique, with the expressions, with everything. The overall performance was so good that they are winning the first position in Open Junior Duet. Karna and Devansh. Everybody, let's put our hands together for these lovely boys. Everybody! Come here. That was Open Junior Duet के सब winners थे. अब हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं for Open Junior Group Dance के winners. Open Junior Group Dance के winners now.
So the best costume for this junior group, the first, of course, the prize is going for the costume first. Serial number 44. Best costume, Aja.
Krishna theme for girls from Krishna Dance Academy. I must tell you, the way they have portrayed Radhas, the gopis and the Krishna was so beautiful.
Guys, the formation, and as I said, कि जब group आता है, एक concept और theme लेके आता है, costumes also plays a very important role. Of course, dance does play an important role. Costume also adds on to it. So guys, congratulations.
Best costume for Krishna theme for girls, Krishna Dance Academy. Along with the costume, the makeup, they use amazing props, was so beautifully done. Where is the choreographer? Can we get the choreographer on stage, please? Please, all the choreographers. Please join us. Alright, everybody, all the gopis, the Radha and the Krishna in the house. Everyone, let's put our hands together for them. Congratulations. All the moms in the house have been really helping them to dress up so well. Congratulations. All right, quickly, please. There were many. Thank you so much. Thank you. Smile, everybody, let's put our hands together for them. Krishna theme for the girls out here. Amazing. They won the best costume award. Now, Open Junior Group Dance made third position.
So this is a theme, the best theme for the juniors group. Of course, it was entertaining. They had a thought, they had a concept, and it was just made for kids. Once again, the best theme goes to serial number 35.
SDI. say XDI Kids win the best team.
Best team.
Oh my God, that was amazing. They took us back to the 60s, 70s के ज़माने में black and white era में लेके गए, and they actually had that performance. Amazing, beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, let's put our hands together for this lovely kids. Best team goes to XDI Kids, serial number 35 from Extreme Dance. Oh, congratulations, yes. I'm sure the judgment is very fair. तो तालियां बजती रहे. पीछे तक खड़े रहना चाहिए. Thank you. All right. Now open junior group dance में.
Okay, so now we go to the special prize of this junior group, which is extremely cute and nice. The prize goes to serial number 43, the Dance Box Kids.
Oh, serial number
This is a
43.
special prize for their cuteness and the cute dancing, which is only meant for the kids choreography.
The Dance Box Kids, the special prize, ladies and gentlemen. In Open Junior Group Dances, we have got many prizes other than the first, second, and third. So they win the best, the special prize. जल्दी से जल्दी आ जाओ. तब तक आप लोग आए, तब तक हम लोग next announce करते हैं.
We go to the 5th place position. The 5th prize for the junior group goes to serial number 39, Rockstar Group. Rockstar Group, आ जाओ.
Okay. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for this lovely, lovely girls and boys. Girls out here. The Dance Box Kids. Congratulations, special prize winner. Now the fifth position.
Rockstar Group, आ जाओ.
Fifth position, serial number 39, Rockstar Group from Rockstar Dance Academy. Wow. Everybody, तालियां. Everybody, थके थोड़ी तालियां हो जाए अपनी टीम के लिए. Congratulations, the fifth position in the Open Junior Dance competition. We have these beautiful kids from both.
The 4th place goes to serial number 36, the Nash Group.
The Nash crew from Nash Studio.
I'll also announce, meanwhile they are coming down and announce the 3rd place. The 3rd place goes to
तो बोलना कि
serial
यार मेरे को
number
लेट हो
42.
जाएगा, मैं यहाँ प्रोग्राम
Jay
में
Hoppers.
मुझे मिलने के लिए बोला था, पर मेरे को लेट हो जाएगा
Joseph.
प्रोग्राम में, 1-2 बज जाएगी.
Jay Hoppers, choreographer
बोल देना
Joseph
खाली है
Zay.
ना, और उसको लगेगा
That is
फोन नहीं
the
किया, फोन किया, पर नंबर ब्लॉक में डाल दिया उसने
position.
मेरा. ठीक है, बोल देना, अभी बोल देना ना.
We announce the second also.
Yeah. I'll
How about
announce the second prize. The second prize
बोल देना
goes
ना खाली, और
to
उसको लगेगा फोन
serial
नहीं किया, उसका नंबर ब्लॉक कर दिया, मैंने फोन किया था उसको.
45 Winlight Junior Dance, Winlight Dance Studio से. So please आप सब ready रहें यहाँ पे. Alright. Fourth position पे थे the Nash crew, the Nash Studio. Now the third position.
2-4 लेना है, बोल दे.
Jay Hoppers.
આમ ઊભા કર, એવું કે આમ ઊભા રહો, એવું બોલ. જો આ વળી દે, હાર દે.
Yes, Joseph sir, party मान रहे हैं सब. All right, thank you, congratulations, Jay Hoppers. Joseph, they won the third prize, and now coming up is the second position. All right, the second position.
The second place is serial number 45.
Winlight Junior Dance. Congratulations. Winlight Junior Dance. Serial number 45, they win the second position in Open Junior Group Dance. Everybody, whoa, Tanya! And now announcing the first position, अव्वल नंबर कौन आया है in Open Junior Group Dance. Who's going to be the first one? कौन लेके जाएगा first position?
Serial number 4040 SST.
SST Bowling Junior Group from SST. See you bowling, everybody. Let's put our hands together for this lovely boys coming up. What a choreography, what a concept. Beautiful performance, coordination today. What's a real performance? That is SST Bowling Junior Group, serial number 40, SSTC Bowling. They win the first position in Open Junior Group Dance. Congratulations, everybody! बहुत बहुत बधाई. Look at the smiles on the faces of the choreographers and the parents out there. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations. Thank you. And now we come to
This is a special category, and this is really, I want to say thank you, Rina ma'am, for getting this category, the Moms Group.
Moms Group.
So the second prize goes to serial number 42. 48, my bad. Serial number 48.
The Dance Box Moms Group. They win the second position and the first will announce.
The first is JSK Moms Group.
First position पे JSK Moms Group, JSK Dance Academy से. This is a very special category, ladies and gentlemen, and Rita Ben, આ category
હું બધા કોરિયોગ્રાફરને ફોન કરીને કહેતી હોઉં છું મને મોમ્સ ગ્રુપ આપો. આ વખતે કહે છે આવતી વખતે બધાની એન્ટ્રી ત્યારે જ લેવામાં આવશે કે જ્યારે એક મોમ્સ ગ્રુપ મને આપશે. મને બધામાં એને જોવામાં ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ મજા આવે છે.
True that, you know, it is a way of life, it is a way of living, and you guys, you girls, you women have actually proved that हमें घर परिवार को संभालते संभालते कुछ हमारे पैशन को भी फॉलो करना चाहिए. और सभी के लिए, सभी जितनी मॉम्स हैं, सभी जितने भी परिवार बैठे हैं, तो इनकी भी अपनी लाइफ है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, इनको हंसने दे, खिलखिलाने दे, जो भी उनको मन करता है उनको करने दे, चाहे डांस हो, म्यूजिक हो. Congratulations to this amazing group of moms, those who have been working day and night, 24/7 काम करते हैं ये. That is the Dance Box Moms Group, second position पे. अब first position पे JSK Moms Group, ladies and gentlemen. Very professional performance. और इन्होंने जो performance दी थी, saying जिंदा हूँ मैं किसके लिए. और ये बात आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, किसके लिए जिंदा है? बच्चों के लिए, परिवार के लिए, अपने लिए जिंदगी में कहाँ समय निकाल पाती हैं? तो थोड़ा उनको जाने दो, बाहर जाने दो, घूमने दो, so that they can have their own space, ladies and gentlemen. This beautiful troupe, everybody, let's put our hands together. The first position winner. What a performance! What a performance! Amazing. All right, JSK Moms Group का ये first position था. And now coming to the Open Senior Solo, ladies and gentlemen. इसमें भी बहुत tough competition थी, right, Pratisha?
Okay, the senior solo. You all will not agree, but the time हम जब auditions के लिए भी जाते हैं India's best dancer के लिए, the first time we see कि of course आप fabulous dancer हो, क्या आप वो rhythm के साथ मैच करके कनेक्ट कर पा रहे हो या नहीं. Yes, they were fabulous dancers here, but वो rhythm पे पकड़ना, उस rhythm को feel करना, कभी कभी क्या होता है हम छोटी बीट पकड़ते लेकिन वो बहुत ज़्यादा जोर से दिखाते कि देखो ये बीट हमने पकड़ी, पर उसमें ज़रूरत नहीं था, वो खाली हल्की बीट हम हल्की फील से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. तो this entire sheet of solo was very tough. The fourth place goes to serial number 54. Archie.
Ladies and gentlemen, Open Senior Solo, my fourth position winner is Archie, serial number 54. Next, please announce for the third position.
This is one of my favorite.
All right, here we go. We have Archie with us, ladies and gentlemen. The fourth position winner in Open Solo, Open Senior Solo. Rock Your Feet के season 17 के grand finale में the other winners in the Open Senior Solo category. Congratulations.
The third place goes to, again, okay, this is like 0.5, 0.5 भी नहीं, 1.00 ऐसे करके, that's why I've asked them to wait also. The third place goes to serial number 60, Dilip.
Dilip Mudaliar sir की ऐसे comeback bowling कर रहा है. 60 number, Dilip Mudaliar. What a performance, ladies and gentlemen. That is position number 3rd in Open Senior Solo. Dilip Mudaliar sir. Congratulations, what rhythm, what amazing choreography.
दिलीप को भी जाना हुआ.
दिलीप जी, आप यहीं रुकिए प्लीज. I request you to be here with us.
Second place, guys, second and first. मैं वहाँ बैठ के ना मैं बाल खींच रहा था कि मैं इनको दोनों को actually छोड़ूं. The second place goes to serial number 59.
Urva Bhavsar from SSTC Warning. 59 number पे Urva Bhavsar. What a performance, ladies and gentlemen. And the song, the blending of the music was amazing. And the performance in the costume, in the classical costume, what a performance, what a performance. Please, आप यहाँ वेट करें हमारे साथ.
And the first prize, which touched the heart, actually connected really well. Serial number 62.
Yuvraj Parmar from Extreme Dance. Oh, wow. Yuvraj Parmar wins the first position in Open Senior Solo competition out here at Rock Your Feet Season 17 Grand Finale. Alright, here we go. Yuvraj Parmar from Extreme Dance, serial number 62, wins the first position in Open Senior Solo. Congratulations. Please. Everybody let's put your hands together. Yuvraj, it touched the heart of the judge, and that's how it goes.
Guys, मैंने इन सबको ना एक सेकेंड.
All the winners,
Please can all four come here.
Fourth,
Please.
third, she's in the fourth position, third position, second position, and
Guys, ये चारों चेहरे देख के रखना. मैं लिख के देता हूँ. आने अगले वाले सालों में, कुछ सालों में, these four faces will be shining on television and all television. Connection, perfect. New age, perfect. Entertainment, perfect. Flexibility with rhythm, perfect. They all four deserve the first place, but I had no option but to give 4, 3, 2, 1. But they all deserve a bow, guys. Mind blowing.
Everybody, let's put our hands together for all of them. The future stars, आप लोग इनका ऑटोग्राफ लेके रखे, फोटोग्राफ लेके रखे साथ में. Thank you so much. And now coming up to Open Senior Duet. Now, this is again very tough to be deciding. अब देखते हैं कौन लेके जाता है prize.
So the senior duet, there's a special performance which really touched. अगर emotion नहीं हो तो dancing कभी feel नहीं हो सकती. The special performance, the prize goes to the special act is serial number 70. Priyanka and Gaurav.
Along with the little boy Reyansh, they actually perform so well.
And they are really inspiring, not only for the kids, for all the generations. You guys, there is no age.
The entire
There's
family
no
is
bar.
here. The
Yeah,
entire
to come and
family is
perform.
here. Mother, father, and the bacha. And Reyansh, I would really, appreciate this little boy who's actually playing the role. जो उनकी रिदम में है, असमीज ये जो बिहू डांस है, बिहू डांस फॉर्म को इन्होंने रोमांटिक डांस फॉर्म में लेके गए थे. What a performance, ladies and gentlemen! Congratulations to this beautiful family. Priyanka and Gaurav and Reyansh in the house. Everybody, let's put our hands together for them. Special performance, special prize. Congratulations. Absolute surreal. going back to the roots, showcasing your culture is very important.
The third place for senior duet is serial number 68.
Ishriti and Nandini from Extreme Dance. Very good. They're coming.
I'll say the second place as well. The second place goes to serial number 72.
Namrata, ladies and gentlemen, Namrata and Vacha from Salute Dance Academy. That wins the second position. Alright, party, हमें भी party देना. आज शाम तक तुम मैं यहाँ पे. फिर कल सुबह दिल्ली जल्दी जाऊंगी. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Ishriti and Nandini from Extreme Dance. They win third position. All right, now
Second place.
second place, babe. Namrata and Vacha from Salute Dance Academy. They win the second prize. Look at the choreographer. The handsome choreographer है. तो मोम अपने बच्चों को जरूर छोड़ देना है. Yes, party. अब तो ये choreographer से party जरूर करूँगी मैं. All right, here we go.
The first place is Boys Yellow Killer. Serial number 66, Jay and Sahil.
Open senior duet में the first position goes to serial number 66, Jay and Sahil from Salute Dance Academy. Salute है इनको. बहुत खूबसूरत performances. Boys, I've seen them thoroughly. What rhythm, what amazing. Yes. सारा handsomeness यहाँ पे निकला है इनका. That's what Sir is saying. What a performance. Everybody let's put our hands together for Jay and Sahil from Salute Dance Academy. Congratulations. Thank you. जो लोग photographs ले रहे हैं, अगर मेरी picture भी ले रहे हैं, तो please tag me too as Anchor Krishna Verma. All right. Next, we come to this open senior group dance. May winners, I'm sure. There are many, and they'll be very tough. What performances! कौन जीतेगा ओपन ग्रुप में?
Okay guys, this is the toughest जो मैंने बोला आपको. This was the toughest thing to do. It has just in points. अगर आप देखोगे तो इतना ऊपर नीचे पूरा sheet is full of writings and everything. But yeah. So this जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ कि अगर आप ग्रुप लेकर आ रहे हो, आपके दिमाग में एक थॉट होता है, उसको आप इस मंच पे किस तरह से एग्जीक्यूट करते हो और किस तरह से अपने दिल को छूता है, विद डांसिंग, विद स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दिस इज अ स्पेशल, द बेस्ट थीम. आज सुबह भी मैम का शो हम जज कर रहे थे, बट टुडे सुबह का मिला के अभी का मिला के द फुल डे, द बेस्ट थीम डांस इज serial number 78, Nadsad crew.
Nadsad performing art.
They had dance, they had interaction, LED, they had performance, they had message, they had emotions. They were just going with the best theme dance today.
Yes, that was the best theme, Nadsad performing art. अब next में announce करते हैं हम. Best costume, ladies and gentlemen.
The best costume.
Junior dance group में.
They were really beautiful. They really carry our culture forward. Serial number 686.
The dance company.
They're the best costume. Please join. Please come. Acha Nadsad.
Best dance costume. Best costume के लिए the dance company को, so please join us on the stage. Here we have the best theme, ladies and gentlemen, goes to serial number 78, Non-Star the Performing Arts. What theme, कभी अलविदा ना कहना है ना कहते हैं. They actually gave us the meaning, they gave us a message, कभी कोई बाहर जाता है तो गुड बाय बड़ा अच्छे से प्यार से कहो, हक करके कहो, है ना?
Yeah, Naksha, they always come up with something new. Please keep doing this and keep
We have
inspiring.
seen many things happening now, right? Anything can happen anytime, so goodbye अच्छे से बोलना जरूरी है. All right, the best costume in the senior group dance में. This is the Dance Academy. What performance! Look at this beautiful lady. Congratulations, ma'am. Congratulations. Look at you. Could you come now, please? Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together. This lovely lady who's been choreographing such amazing dance forms, ladies and gentlemen. The costume, the bending, best costume prize, Open Senior Group Dance Fest. Out.
This is a special prize. They were really good with, of course, only storytelling and everything. Yes, little bit, but they were really good and they deserve to take this special prize. Serial number 75.
Serial number 75, Winlight Senior Dance from Winlight Dance Studio. They win the fifth special prize, ladies and gentlemen.
Special prize.
Winlight Senior Dance. Till the time they come, can we announce the next one, please?
So meanwhile, the fifth position, the fifth place is serial number 85.
J Squad, JDC. Please join us. The fifth position goes to J Squad from JDC. Here we have the special prize, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to them. Winlight Senior Dance, Winlight Dance Studio. थोड़ा आगे बढ़ जाए, पीछे बढ़ जाए, बहुत लंबे लंबे हैं सब. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for this lovely participants. They win the special prize in the open group category, Winlight Senior Dance. Congratulations. Everybody, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. And the next, ladies and gentlemen, the fifth prize winner in Open Senior Group Dance, ladies and gentlemen, this is J Squad from JDC. Big smile, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Let's do it quickly. We still have a few more prizes. मजा आ रहा है कि तालियां बजा दो हम सब एक winners के लिए. All the participants, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to the fifth place winner, J Squad from JDC. Congratulations. Thank you. All right. Now, fourth prize winner. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, dance is all about rhythm and poetry, ladies and gentlemen. Dance is about expression, the confidence, और जो भी बच्चे आज परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, I'm sure उनकी लाइफ आगे बढ़ के कहीं और एक मुकाम पे पहुंचाते हैं. जो लोग बचपन से ही डांस करते हैं या सिंगिंग करते हैं, मंच पे परफॉर्म करते हैं, उनको आगे बहुत बड़े मौके मिलते हैं, ladies and gentlemen. You can see an example right in front of us. Pratik sir is there. Here we go. Fourth position.
Fourth position is, guys, ये 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, in all this five, it is very tough. It is very, very tough. तो आके खून किसी का मत करना. But you all deserve to be here and appreciate this. It is just the number. But the fourth place goes to serial number 82.
Unstoppable Dance Crew from Unstoppable Dance Studio. This is
I
the
will
fourth
announce the
position.
third place as well. The third place goes to serial number 79.
The Nach Dance Senior Crew, the Nach Studio. Third position पे the Nach Dance Senior Crew, the Nach Studio से. Second announce करें sir. And हम announce कर दें. सारे आ गए? Everybody is here? Please join us. Let's be very quick, ladies and gentlemen. This is the fourth position winner. Unstoppable Dance Crew from Unstoppable Dance Studio. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं के लिए everybody. Let's put our hands together for them. Fourth position winner in the Open Senior Group Dance Competition at Rock Your Feet Grand Finale. Now coming up on stage is third position winner, ladies and gentlemen. The Nach Dance Senior Crew. Congratulations. What a performance. 79 number grade in the Nach Dance Senior Crew to the Nach Studios. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put our hands together for them. They win the third position. Congratulations. And now coming up to the second and then the first. Kaun jeetega? Second position. In the Open Senior Group Dance Meet, second position and first position have been very tough to decide, and I'm sure Pratik has taken
toughest. Yes, whenever there is a thought behind the choreography goes to another level. That's what it is. The second place goes to serial number 8 and 3, 83.
Nose Tight Group. Nose Tight Group, ladies and gentlemen, 83 number. Nose Tight Group wins the second position in Open Senior Group.
And the first prize goes to serial number 77,
Team Nazar from JDC.
the level of choreography, the thought, mind blowing.
Second position winner, ladies and gentlemen, Nose Tight Group. What a performance! What a performance! Let's put our hands together for Nose Tight Group. They win the second position in Open Senior Group Dance. Congratulations! Thank you. Woo! Thank you. Congratulations. It was very, very tough and fantastic competition, ladies and gentlemen. The level of choreography, the level of dance performances was placed at the national level. Ladies and gentlemen. First position, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put our hands together. The Open Senior Group Dance winner. The first position winner, ladies and gentlemen. Team Nazar of JDC. JDC के Team Nazar के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, everybody! And I would like to thank each one of you, all the parents, the grandparents, the choreographers, teachers, and the Rock Your Feet here by the organizer, Rita and Champawadent. We're going to have a little dance of Sir. Pratik sir, one minute. एक गाना, sir, आइए, थोड़ा सा गाना लगा दीजिए please, DJ. We welcome DJ Tinu, who has been helping us out, and all the backstage guys. You've been amazing. Thank you so